HW here. How you doing? I have long been a fan of capture technology. I'm an OG Kemper guy. Love the QC, the Tonex. But for me, Helix has always sat just a little bit below everything else. And that's really because of my love of capture tech. I've always been one of those guys who, just because I had started doing this and had a lot of amps and stuff, I always knew the sound I wanted. And it's this thing that's challenging to do, apparently, with digital stuff, because not everything does it. But it's just that AC30, that DC30, that kind of circuit, just straight up, where you got enough headroom left that it feels alive, and but it also is just grinding and it's doing the thing. And for me, PROXY has really solved whatever I thought was missing. I feel like PROXY really captures that in-between thing, and I really like it. I really like that edge kind of sound. And it's just like this. It's this sound right here. I'm going to take off the delay. By the way, this is a free download at the link below. This capture, this PROXY clone, is free. AC 66 AC30 BOD1. That's free at the link below. There's a full pack down there too you can check out. But that's free at the link below. Go grab it, because this is what I think is just the greatest tone. I'm going to turn on some of that delay, and we'll talk about the delay in a minute and why I like that on this tone too. But I like when you can just throw it on the bridge, and it's right on the edge where you get this. And it's sufficiently saturated and broken up and beautiful, but you can kind of fake the clean by just doing this thing. Because then I don't have to go to any pedals or whatever. I can get this thing. And just a little flick of the switch, just with a touch of my hands. That is the thing I'm after. You take off that delay and you might think, hey, Chevy, he's too wet. Come on, knock it off. But it's just, this is the sound I want on every single device. Now, if I want to clean it up, I can, right? I can go to the clean one. Now, I'm on the B clean. This one's not free, it's in the full pack, but you can use the other one and just clean it up with your guitar, and you're gonna get mostly the same thing. And I like to have this tone, you know? Clean is beautiful, but that's probably my second favorite, tone on the AC30. But this one, you can clean it up really easily, and you can also just throw on like a mid switch, like a GE7 with just some mids on it. I mean, I dig that, man. It eats up this TS-808. I never hear people do this 808 sound on the AC30 anymore. You can do that stuff, I guess. You know what I mean? You can go for it, but you can also just pull that thing back, throw on your little. You don't even need the clean one. Just pull back the volume. You can do that sort of thing if you want. You know what I mean? It does the singing thing really well. But I don't know. To me, it's just so few. The Agora models I loved. I thought they were really good. The deluxe one I thought was really good. The AC30 I thought was really good too. But I've never quite been able to get there on modelers. And I know that a lot of people go, "Oh, the Fractal's the best. Oh, they sound just like that." I get it. To me, it's something really simple about the thing that happens when you just get like 57 or a 545 or whatever, a 906, any dynamic microphone, and I just blend in a little bit of 121, but you don't even really need to be honest with you. It's a very typical setup, like dynamic mic, API, Vox on 5 or 6. It just sounds like $1 million. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, that's just, to me, that is the tone. And that's really what I'm after. You can throw on, the Minotaur type thing, and you can do the clon. That's really cool too. But I don't know, just that amp, just sing it. You know what it is? It sounds like the amp's overdriven, but the top is still chimey and clean. And I just never find that, man. I swear all the modeling it kind of grumbles up the whole thing. But what I notice is the capture tech is able to pick up that really analog response. And if that's what you do, that's what I do, then that's really the thing. And to me, it's like you just turn on that delay and you get that huge delay. I make my delay like a huge switch. All right, free download in the link below. Check it out. Let me know, what are you running with PROXY? I think everybody should download this. This is an incredible capture. Put it in stereo with the 64 Vibreverb we put out. I think I did a free one of those. You check your email, or I'll put it in the free pack. Maybe I'll make a performance with these things together, a preset with these things together. That would be killer. I'm an HW.